here, tuned in to Danny's live animal show. Where is it? Okay, there we go. And look how beautiful that is as it flutters, the beautiful butterflies. So I've seen a dolphin and now beautiful butterflies. Don't leave. Okay, I'm gonna get away so you can do, I guess you're pollinating. Turned around like, yes, mind your business. Okay, cool. Oh, well, look at you. Cool. Okay. Like somebody great grandpa. Like, leave the bees alone, leave the butterflies. Oh, it's a ladybug. I love ladybugs. Oh, y'all all showed out for me today. Thank you.